Open the bulk schedule feature in the calendar to begin scheduling multiple work items at once. Filter the list by work item type, then select all jobs, codes, tasks, and project tasks you want to schedule. Click Next to proceed. The Post Center view indicates whether an item is a job, code, task, or project task. Select a technician from the available list, then click Next. Adjust the scheduled time for each work item as needed, then click Next. Click Next to generate the schedule. The schedule will display items starting from your office location and routing to each subsequent job. Review the generated schedule in the calendar view. Jobs and codes display without a Post Center view, while tasks and project tasks include this indicator. Click Next to finalize the schedule. Select any additional work items you want to add, then click Next again. Click Schedule to confirm. Your bulk schedule is now saved in the calendar.